Imagine being able to make a killing online while you sleep, with the potential to earn up to $50,000 per month on Excel courses alone. You heard it right. With Chat GPT, the possibilities are endless. Whether it's personal development, business, finance, or even stock trading, the top monthly revenue for these courses are $4,838, $7,474, $11,991, and $50,000 per month respectively. Don't miss out on this exciting opportunity to learn the secrets of Chat GPT and create passive income streams that will change your life. Join us on our journey to financial freedom and become a part of the online course revolution. So, don't wait, hit that subscribe button now and let's make some money. When creating a course, it's important to consider the unique knowledge and skills you have to offer. For example, if you are proficient in PowerPoint, you may be able to create a course that teaches others your tips and tricks for using the software. In order to get started, you'll need to first decide on a topic for your course. You can then use Chat GPT to help you create the content for your course. This can include writing the script for videos, creating handouts, and designing quizzes. Once your course is complete, you can then upload it to Udemy or another online platform and start earning passive income. Overall, creating a passive income stream using Chat GPT is a viable option for those looking to monetize their skills and knowledge. By leveraging the power of online platforms like Udemy, you can reach a wide audience and earn money while doing something you're passionate about. But how do you find the best choice on Udemy? Are you looking to create an online course but don't know where to start? With the help of Udemy's tool, you can validate that there is demand for your course topic and create a course that will generate passive income for you. Step 1. How to navigate Udemy to find a category that interests you. Easy. Start by going to their website, udemy.com, and clicking on the Courses button on the top navigation bar. From there, you will be taken to a page with all of the different categories of courses available on the platform. Scroll through the categories to find one that interests you and click on it to see the subcategories within that category. Step 2. Next, you need to pick a subcategory that interests you. Once you've picked a subcategory that interests you, click on it to see the list of available courses on that topic. You can also use the search bar to search for specific keywords or course titles to find a course that interests you. Once you've found a course that interests you, you can view more information about it by clicking on the course title or thumbnail. This will take you to the course landing page where you can see the course description, reviews, and ratings. Step 3. After that, you would need to research the demand for your course topic. On the Udemy website, go to the Instructors tab on the top navigation bar. From there, click on the Course Idea button. You will then be taken to a page where you can enter a course topic or keyword to research. The tool will show you information on the popularity and demand for that topic, as well as the average revenue for courses on that topic. It's important to validate that there is demand for your course topic before you spend time creating it. This will save you time and effort in the long run, as you won't waste time creating a course that nobody is interested in. Step 4. After finding your perfect course to sell, the next is to actually start creating the course. With the help of Udemy's tool, you have validated that there is demand for your course topic. Now, you can confidently spend time creating your course, knowing that there is an audience waiting for it. Be sure to consider factors such as length, format, and target audience when creating your course. It's also helpful to have a clear outline of the topics you will cover in your course and a plan for how you will deliver the content to your students. Chat GPT is a valuable tool when it comes to creating and enhancing your course. You can use it to generate ideas for your course, write course scripts, and even create quizzes and tests. This tool can help you make your course more interactive and engaging for your students, which in turn can help increase your revenue. Before using it, it is important to fine-tune the model on your own dataset to better suit your needs. So, how do we turn the script that Chat GPT wrote for us into a slide presentation? It's actually very simple. All you have to do is tell it to turn the script into a slide presentation, and then you'll see that now it will basically turn this entire lesson into a slide-by-slide presentation for you. You can see the slide numbers, the title, objective, and bullet points that it has generated for you. You can use Google Slides as it is free. Just go to Google, search for Google Slides, and create a new document. Once you have created your slide presentation, copy and paste the text from the script that Chat GPT wrote for you into the slides. You can add images and videos as needed to make your slide presentation more engaging. Now, you have a complete slide presentation for your online course on time management using the power of this amazing tool. This way you can easily transform the script that it wrote for you into a slide presentation, saving you time and effort in creating an online course. This process is easy and simple, and it is more interactive and engaging for your students. And, of course, you've got to go and play around and make it look nicer, neater, and all that. Now again, I don't recommend you to just copy and paste everything. I would recommend you to try to change things and rewrite them in your own tone, in your own words, in your own style, and of course, add in your own information as well. Anything else that you feel that you can add to the lesson, then you should add them right. Don't just copy and paste everything blindly. So this is how you can create a lesson for your online course, which I've just demonstrated to you, and then all you have to do is just repeat the process. You do the next lesson, write the script, then turn it into a slide presentation, then you can create it, turn it into a Google slide again, and you do the next lesson, and then you can just rinse and repeat, and then in no time, you can create your online course. You'll have all of the slide presentations for all of your lessons for your online course. Are you getting this? So, here's a quick recap for you. Chat GPT is a powerful tool that can be used to generate scripts for online courses. One of the most effective ways to use this tool is by providing prompts to guide the model in writing a script for a specific lesson. To start, you can use the prompt "Write an outline for an online course on finance." This will give it a general idea of the subject matter you want to cover in your course. Once you have the outline, you can then provide prompts for specific lessons within the course. For example, you can use the prompt "Write a script for a lesson on finance." This will give it a general idea of the subject matter you want to cover in your course. After ChatGPT has written the script, you can then use the prompt "Turn the script into a slide presentation" to automatically convert the script into a slide-by-slide presentation. This makes it easy to organize and present the material in your course. You can then copy and paste the text from the script into Google Slides and add images and videos as needed. By repeating this process for each lesson in your course, you will have a complete set of slide presentations in no time. Let me give you a few ways to record videos for your online course. First, you will need to download a software like OBS Studio to record your computer screen. It works for both Windows and Mac. OBS Studio is a free and open source software that allows you to easily record your computer screen, webcam, and audio. Once you have downloaded and installed the software, you can set it up to record your computer screen. Click on the Start Recording button and go through your slides while talking. This is how you can create the lessons for your course. You can also use the software to record your webcam and audio to make your videos more engaging and interactive. After you are done recording, it will save the video on your computer. Always remember, a course is just a bunch of videos put together. It's very easy and simple. The last step is to turn your course into cash. After creating your course, the most difficult part is done, and with the help of ChatGPT, it was made easy, fast, and simple. Now you can put it out for sale on various platforms such as Udemy, Coursera, Skillshare, etc. You can also sell your course on your own website or through an affiliate marketing program. By monetizing your skills and knowledge, you can create a passive income stream that can change your life. With these details, it will be much clearer and more interesting for your viewers to understand how to record the videos and how to turn the course into cash. And with the help of ChatGPT, they can create an online course easily and quickly with an interactive, engaging, and informative script. The hardest part would have been to create the online course. Once that is done, this is the easier step. The final step is to just put your course on Udemy so that other people can buy your course, and that's how you can make money. You go to udemy.com, instructor, you can go through the process, you give your online course a title, you write a description for your online course to persuade people to buy, and remember, you can use ChatGPT to help you come up with names for your online course, and you can also use it to help you write a description that will help to sell your course on Udemy. This is a comprehensive guide on how to use ChatGPT to help you create an online course. It covers the process from researching a course topic, creating an outline, writing scripts for lessons, turning them into slide presentations, recording the videos, and finally putting the course up for sale on Udemy to make money. However, this guide is a starting point, and you may need to learn more about the tools like OBS Studio, Google Slides, and how to upload a course on Udemy, but the step-by-step guide I have provided should give you a good idea on how to get started. That's all for now. Stay tuned for more related content. We'll love to be part of your journey to success. Thanks for watching.